Hey there, history buffs. Today we're diving into one of America's most iconic landmarks, the Lincoln Memorial. Perched majestically on the western end of the National Mall in Washington, D.C., this neoclassical beauty is more than just a tribute to our 16th president, Abraham Lincoln. It's a symbol of unity, democracy, and the enduring spirit of freedom. First, let's talk design. The memorial was dedicated in 1922 and brought to life by the brilliant architect Henry Bacon. Those 36 towering columns you see, they represent the states in the Union at the time of Lincoln's death. It's a subtle yet powerful nod to the unity Lincoln fought so hard for. Now let's move on to the star of the show, the statue of Lincoln himself. This awe-inspiring seated figure was carved by Daniel Chester French. With a contemplative gaze and a posture that exudes calm strength, Lincoln looks out over the National Mall as if eternally watching over the nation he helped to shape. Take a closer look at the walls surrounding Lincoln. Inscribed there is the Gettysburg Address. These words reflect Lincoln's unwavering commitment to equality, unity, and the principles of democracy. Reading those lines in this hallowed space, it's a moment that connects you directly with the past. But wait, there's more to this monument than meets the eye. Beyond its architectural splendor, the Lincoln Memorial carries an air of mystery and stillness. The reflective pool stretching toward the Washington Monument, it mirrors the solemnity of the memorial, creating a serene atmosphere that feels almost sacred. The still waters reflect not just the monument, but the weight of history itself. And speaking of history, the Lincoln Memorial has been the backdrop for some truly pivotal moments. Perhaps most famously, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his iconic "I Have a Dream" speech right here in 1963. Just imagine standing at the very spot where history was made. It's like feeling the pulse of the past. As you ascend the steps, you might feel a quiet whisper of history echoing through the marble. The vastness of the open space contrasts with the deep intimacy of Lincoln's thoughtful expression. It's as if the past and present meet right here in a quiet testament to Lincoln's enduring vision for unity and justice. So, next time you find yourself in Washington, D.C., make sure to visit the Lincoln Memorial. Stand in silent admiration of its grandeur, reflect on its historical significance, and feel the timelessness of the American spirit. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep history alive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into history. See you next time.